Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the first coin in a series of 4 for the Tower of London coin collection. This one is the Legend of the Ravens and is a 2019 UK £5 brilliant uncirculated coin. This is the version that you could buy from the Royal Mint website, or indeed also from Westminster Collection in the Royal Mint hang bag. There is also over at the Westminster Collection website a blue carded version available. And there we have the front and back. And I'm going to do my usual thing now where I open mine up, so if you have actually bought this yourselves and you don't want to open yours up, you can see all the information that you get inside. So with the packaging taken away, that is the front, and then the back. Just show off that little bit by there, which you can pause and read at your own pace if I'm moving too quickly. And now we'll just slot the coin out from its outer packaging. And there we go. What I'm going to do now is show off the inside and all the information that you get. Feel free again to pause here if I'm moving too quickly. I'm really glad that the Royal Mint has brought out another £5 coin series. It sits alongside the Queen's Beasts. This one, like I said, is going to be 4 coins in total. And there we go, back round to the back. So we'll just have a look at that little part by there. And then we'll check out the coin specifications before actually checking out the coin. So the denomination is £5. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight is 28.28 grams. The diameter 38.61 millimeters. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jodie Clark, and then the reverse designer is Glyn Davis. So let's check out the coin itself. Go. We have the raven there, and you can just see the outline of the Tower of London there in the background. So it's a very simple design, but pretty cool nonetheless. All 4 coins. If you go on their website, you can see the designs on them and see just how cool the coins actually are. And then we have a 2019 Jodie Clark effigy of the Queen there. So that's the coin, and that's the first in a series of 4, and I'm definitely going to be collecting all 4 of those coins. So let me know in the comment section below, have you bought this one? Have you already signed up to get all 4 in the series? Are you going to continue to get them? And if so, in which finish did you get them? Let me know in the comment section below, because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.